Hey guys, Josh from Easy-Kleen. We're here with another enclosed trailer. This one's heading to the Yukon up in Canada. It's been sold to a hydro company. This will be using for thawing out their water intakes. One of the few things we want to talk about this trailer is the way it's built. So inside we have a steel deck floor. Our competitors' trailers, typically wood, plywood, you can get steel deck. These trailers have been designed for pressure washers, dry steam generator in industry. The way we do our cross member spacing, the way we build them is structurally braced. We want these trailers to stand up, not just like our equipment, but we want these trailers to last a long time. In the past, we purchased trailers and the equipment inside the trailers was lasting longer than the trailers, so we designed our own trailers. Now they're heavily built. We made some key improvements on them. The front of the trailer here, guys, one of the nice features we want to touch on, we have the checker plating at the front. So again, we're not going to be driving up and down the highway every time with this. So this trailer will be on dirt roads, in the tundra. So we get a lot of rocks and debris flying up. So that checker plating protects the trailer. Also, we want to highlight our 12,000 pound jack, heavy duty. Again, a lot of the trailers on the market, you're going to see a cheap, flimsy jack on them. The base, very small. Great, if you're on asphalt, but if you're in the mud or on a work site, those jacks sink right down in, no good. This has a wide base on the bottom there. So if you unhook on a dirt surface, you don't have to worry about this sinking down in the mud on you. Another thing we want to touch about is our plug here for our shore power. So inside our trailer, we have an electric heater inside there. So at the end of the day, if you want to don't want to drain your water tanks, have your rain gear in there, you can plug this in your shore power. That electric heater will heat the trailer, dry out your rain gear. So that's a nice little key feature there. This trailer here is a 2-inch ball, but we have the adjustable coupler on here. So a lot of our competitors don't have that ability. So that being said, if you're moving this around with a 1/2 ton, 3/4 ton, it's more versatile. So we can actually move that coupler up. So that's a nice key feature that we want to touch base on there for you guys. So at the rear of the trailer, one of the nice things I like about it is we have our step here. It is removable, but getting in and out of the trailer just makes it a little bit easier for vertically challenged people. We got our barn style doors here, nice little feature. We also have our brackets here, so out in the field, when you're opening these doors, windy days, you're gonna be working. So when we open these doors, we can actually, we have a door holder there. So if it gets caught by wind, it's not gonna snap back and hit anybody. Nice little key safety feature. It's on all our trailers here. So we're gonna open her up and give you guys a look. So right at the back of our trailer, as you can see, is our 11,000 watt diesel generator Kubota. One of the nice key features about this trailer, we have the steel deck floor, not a cheap plywood floor. This is going to stand up a long time. Down the road, if you want to modify it, put some tie down points in. If you want to put some shelving in, if you want to weld on that floor, you can weld stuff in. One of the nice features on our trailers, all our enclosed trailers go with a spare tire. It's essential. You're going to get a flat tire usually at the worst timing possible, but every trailer goes with a spare tire. There's a holder there to hold that tire in place. It's not going to roll around on you. When you need it, it's there. At the rear of the trailer here, we have our 730 gallon water tank. We have our 150 gallon fuel cell, and we have our LED work lights here. So all nice, easy to access. If you ever have to remove any of this, like I said before, you can take that ramp off, bring a forklift in. There is forklift slots on that generator. Lift it up, remove it out. So if you ever need to service this or get out of a water tank or move something around, it's super easy to do. Everything's bolted and tapped into place, so you're not going to have to climb up underneath and try to get a wrench on. We put a lot of thought into that. We're going to go in, have a look at this trailer here, and show you some of the nice features on it. So just taking a quick look in here, guys, we have our dry steam generator. It's 50 boiler horsepower. This unit here is 2 million BTUs, runs off diesel fuel, 110 volt for the pump and motor on here. We run that back off the diesel generator. The client chose to go with an oversized generator on this one so they can run some work lights. This is going to be on job sites after hours and stuff like that. So they'll put stuff in here, boot dryers, microwaves and stuff, so they can use it on the job site. We have our 35-gallon antifreeze tank here, our 730-gallon water tank, our 150-gallon fuel cell here for our dry steam generator. We have our hose storage here. So this unit here, the customer's got 300 feet of 1-inch hose. He went with 100-foot sections, so as needs be, he'll couple them together. So this just hose storage here. It's a nice little setup. We have it with a quick fill on it, so a 2-inch quick fill. So if you have a hydrant or a water main, you hook direct to that to fill the tank quickly. We also have a dump valve on this tank, so to do the opposite, to drain this tank quickly, you can open the dump valve. So we're going to send this to Yukon, Canada. It'll be hard at work here in another month. Thanks guys for watching. Give us a call today at 1-800-315-5533.